In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change desktop wallpaper in Windows 10. Changing your wallpaper is a simple way to personalize your computer and make it feel more like your own. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you slowly through each step, explain what you're seeing on screen, and share a few helpful tips along the way so you know exactly what you're doing and why. First, make sure you're on your Windows 10 desktop. If you have a lot of windows open, you can quickly minimize everything by clicking the small rectangle on the far right side of the taskbar, or by pressing the Windows key and the D key on your keyboard. Once you can clearly see your desktop, you're ready to start. Now, move your mouse pointer to any empty area on the desktop. By empty, I mean a space that doesn't have any icons or files on it. Right-click in that empty space. This will open a small menu, sometimes called a context menu. In that menu, look for the option labeled Personalize and left-click it. This opens the Windows settings window directly to the personalization section, and specifically to the background settings. If your computer takes a moment to load, that's normal. Just wait for the window to appear. In the background section, you'll see a preview of your current desktop wallpaper at the top. Just below that, there's a drop-down labeled Background. Make sure it's set to Picture if you want a single image as your wallpaper. If it's set to something else, like Solid Color or Slideshow, click the drop-down and choose Picture, so your options match what we're describing. Underneath, you'll see a row of recent images. You can quickly change your wallpaper by clicking any of these. As soon as you click, you'll see the preview update, and your desktop background will change in the background behind the settings window. If you want to use a different picture that isn't listed there, look for the button that says Browse. Click Browse, and a File Explorer window will open. From here, navigate to the folder where your image is saved, for example, the Pictures folder. Click on the image you want, then click Choose Picture. Windows will immediately set that image as your new wallpaper. Below the image selection, there's a Choose a Fit drop-down. This controls how the picture is positioned on your screen. If your image looks stretched or cut off, try options like Fill or Fit until it looks right in the preview. Once you're happy with how it looks, you can simply close the settings window. Your new wallpaper is saved automatically and will stay that way until you change it again.